Hello guys! Magandang hapon, magandang araw sa inyong lahat. At dito pala kami ngayon sa Mazda. Bibili ako ng sasakyan. So ito yung napili ko, Mazda CX-30. Ang ganda ng napili ko guys, di ba? Actually, napuntahan na namin yung last week at nakuha na namin yung quotation doon. At ito'y binalikan na namin para magbabayad na tayo via cash. Hindi na natin i-install yan kasi once i-install mo yan, ang laki ng interest niya, almost 5% interest total price. Try na. Tadaan! Maganda, di ba? So ayun, pasukin natin. Ganda, di ba? Bagay na bagay, di ba? Road trip natin ito at pupuntahan natin yung Jeddah. Sa wakas guys, 8 days nating hinihintay ito para makuha lang natin yung ating sasakyan. Very excited na tayo mga ka-chibs sa ating bagong CX-30. Sa wakas, nakukuha na natin yung ating susi sa ating bagong sasakyan. Actually, joke lang yun. Siya talaga yun. Yun yung totoong may-ari.
This one, auto hold. If I want to use it, I have to put my seats belt and doors should be closed. If the car is on D and we stop in a signal or whatever, if I press on it, car will stop while it is on D. If you want to move, accelerate the fuel and it will start moving.
Okay.
Yes. Here, volume. One press to mute, long press to off the screen.
Okay.
Right. This one, favorite channel or radio, home page, radio, compass, step back, and this is the mouse control for the screen. If I want to pick something, inside. Right? The AC, you know how to use it? Off from here. Okay? This one for the compressor, AC. It is on like that. This one, if you want the air comes from outside, and if there is a bad smell and you want it to be outside, press it like that. The power of the fan. This one to control the flow up or down. This one for the foggy weather, the glass is foggy. For the front, this is for the back.
Okay.
To increase the heat, we go right like that. As you see, I increased it here and here it's increased as well. If you want to separate it, I will cancel this thing. Now you see? Alright. So for the roof, you can press this to open it. Up to close. If you want just a little bit, press it inside like that. Right?
To go back.
Yeah, not only, I don't know how we explain it, but to open it a little bit to let the air comes. Okay? Download the application for the services, okay? To book appointment and to see the nearest branch for you. Hi.
This is also...
Congratulations.
Thank you. Yung talaga yung totoong may-ari. Nakuha na talaga yun yung kotse niya within 8 days. Siyempre, hindi mawawala yung chibugan kapag bago yung sasakyan. Wow! Yung masarap din dito sa Dirapi, ito yung soup nila. Dito kami kumain.
May gulay na sariwa, may sasawang kakaiba ang timpla. Mula sa simpleng lutong bahay na handa hanggang sa hapag na
Kakamay, tapos ilang plato.
si Chibuk